Okay, the first thing that we want to do to get you started is to sign you up for your web account. So what we're going to do, we're going to get your web office set up. We're going to sign on to the internet here. Now I have my web page, my home page, set up as my Tupperware web page because I visit it a bunch of times throughout the day. So it's just easier for me. And the website is, as you can see up here, it's www.my2.tupperware.com. And actually, what's even easier is you can use www.my.tupperware.com. And as you can see, it redirects you to the same page. So you can use whichever address is easier for you to remember. Now, let's say you want to set yours as your home page also, because it'll make it easier for you too. You can go up to Tools, click Internet Options, and then whatever address that you have in here, you're just going to delete it, and in its place put www.my.tupperware.com, and then come down here to OK and click OK, and now yours will be your home page also. Okay, the next thing I want to do is take you over here to where it shows you the different account choices that you have. You can get a starter account, a plus account, or a gold account. The starter account is free. Everybody gets that. And what the starter account does, and actually you can look down here and read through and show you all the benefits that each package has. But real briefly, the starter account basically gives you access to all the information that you're going to need. The sales specials that are going on, it's going to give you access to any type of news that you need to know about. It's going to let you enter your orders in on the computer, so you can have a very successful business with just this starter package that you're going to get for free. Now the Plus account costs $7.95 a month, and the basic difference between the starter and the Plus account is that you get a website that people can go to and basically buy Tupperware online from your website. And what's so great about this is that someone could click onto your website and be buying all this Tupperware while you're sleeping, or maybe you're out shopping, or who knows what, and you could be making money literally and not even know it. So that's a wonderful thing. I think that the Plus account is a great package, and it's well worth the $7.95 a month. And the great news is that you're going to get this package free for 30 days when you sign up on your starter account, just so that you can check it out. And it shows you right here that you can get a trial of this package. So that's, I think, just really great. Now the gold account, basically the main difference is that Tupperware takes your website and advertises for you online. So it gives you banners that goes to different websites and search engines. So that's a neat feature as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for the starter package, and now the next thing that it's going to do is ask you for either your social security number or for your consultant ID number. This is your 11-digit consultant ID number. The way that you would get this is either from your manager or the person who signed you up, and then you're also going to need your password. And your password is the last 4 digits of your social security number. So what we're going to do is I am going to sign up my new consultant, and I'm going to pause the recording so that I can enter her social security number for privacy reasons. So we'll be right back. Okay, on this next page it's going to show you your 11-digit consultant ID number. So if you used your social security number to log in, you definitely want to make note of what your consultant ID number is, because you're going to need this for just about everything that you do. So make sure you write that down and keep it handy. Then you need to enter in your username. Now this is generally you want to use your first and last name, and as you can read up here, because what this is going to be used for, you actually are going to use this to log into your account, and you also get an email account. So you are going to be able to have email through your Tupperware website, and your username is going to be part of your website. So for instance, if you look down here, if you use Jackie Smith, your email address is going to be jackiesmith@my.tupperware.com, and your website address, if you have the Plus or the Gold account, which remember, you're going to be getting the Plus account free for your first 30 days, is going to be my.tupperware.com/Jackie Smith. So you just generally, if you use your first and last name, that's easy for people to remember when they're logging on to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in Sharon Collier. And now you need to enter a new password. So if you remember before, we talked about that the last 4 digits of your Social Security number was your original password. Now Tupperware wants you to set up a new one, and then they're also going to have you confirm it. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a password for Sharon and have her confirm the password. And then you can also enter email and an alternate email address if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in, and I'm going to pause the recording to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and register her. So we'll be right back. Okay, now as you can see here, when I entered the password, well, one of the things that you need to make sure that your password must be between 6 and 8 characters, and it has to contain at least 1 number and 1 letter. And it cannot contain your username. So when you're picking your password, you do want to make sure that you do follow those guidelines. And as you can see, it's going to show me Sharon's new email address with her Tupperware account. And then I'm going to go ahead and click register now. Okay, and here you can see that it tells me that she's been successfully registered, and we're going to click here to have her log in. Now you can print out this page if you want to for your records if you haven't written down your consultant ID number at this point. Okay, and now we are ready to log in. So let's go right into the next section and we will show you how to do that.